My goal of this video is for you guys to not fall in the same outreach trap in 2025 that every guru, every course, every mentor, every low tier agency owner is telling you to do going into 2025. There's an outreach method that I've been using this whole year that's brought me to 106K a month. And it's the same exact method that I'm going to be using in 2025, guys. Now, all of my other business friends, top tier agency owners, they're going to be using the same method, but the difference is they're gatekeeping it. They don't want to tell you what it is. They don't want to see you succeed. Now, stay tuned. Keep watching this video. I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm not going to gatekeep anything. I'm going to be the person I wish I had when I was scaling at the very start of the year. Enjoy the video, guys. So let me put you guys on the outreach system we're going to be going into 2025. Now, before we get into that, I want to show you guys exactly what I was doing that was not working, which is probably what's happening to you guys right now. I was doing 15,000 cold emails every single day, guys, not per month, every single day to CEOs. I had teams of commission-based DM setters, dozens of commission-based cold callers I hired from the Philippines, and it was just all the cold outreach you can possibly imagine. Now, I was stuck and miserable for months. I was burnt out up until 2 a.m. I had low quality, unserious appointments that were just like, Derek, what is it? I got a meeting in 5 minutes. Have some respect, guys. I'm like really trying to help you out here. Now, with the new client outreach system we're using and the one I want you guys to steal, which I call the AI agency acquisition system, that is how we've gotten 106K per month in our agency. Now, tell me if this sounds familiar or looks familiar to you guys. This is the 2024 traditional agency method that every course, every guru, every mentor you have is telling you to do. They're telling you to get leads from a location like Apollo, ZoomInfo, Upwork, Fiverr, wherever. And they're telling you to cold email, maybe like Instantly, Lemlist, or some other software. Or they're telling you guys, just keep DMing, or like keep cold calling, It's going to happen. No, it's not going to happen. Spoiler alert. So what should you guys be doing instead? I'm going to show you exactly what you guys need to be doing instead. But first, let me tell you why it's not going to work in 2025. These guys are cold leads. They are never in the buying state. They have huge trust issues. There's 16-year-olds saying the same, I'll get you 1,000 clients, sorry, don't pay me anything. It is crazy. Why would they trust you? They've been burnt so many times. These guys are rude. Honestly, more rude than they should be, but like, I get it. I'm receiving all these cold stuff every single day now. They're like, what do you want? I got 5 minutes, kid. Give me the pitch. Like, man, hello, how are you, right? It's just an uphill battle. You guys just met, and within those 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, you're expecting them to give you $5,000. Like, step back and honestly think to yourself, is that person going to give you $5,000? Maybe 1 out of 100, right? We need something that's consistent and something you genuinely feel good about. So enough of that, Derek. What's the solution? Let's get right to it. AI agency acquisition. Now, what is it? We use AI meta ads to help us with AI copy, AI images, AI videos, or a manual setup if you want. And I'm going to show you exactly why ads will be beating every cold outreach in 2025, where people, they come to you. Man, that is such a huge switch, which I love. One of my biggest landmarks. I don't care about 50K in a day. I don't care about that. I love it when people start coming to me. They're on my time, on my calendar. They're serious buyers. You can start controlling the lead flow on commands with ads. If you want 5 leads a day, 5 leads a day. If you want 500 leads the next day, 500 leads the next day. It's completely up to you guys and your setup. Now, these guys are not cold. Let me remind you. These are hot buyers actively searching. These guys want your services, and it's all about, can you put yourself in front of them? And if you are, boom, it's a done deal. So budgets are aside, they're ready to go, and is the greatest thing you ever want to deal with. Now, let me show you guys exactly how we're able to do AI meta ads to allow us to get less than $1 cost per lead, almost 300 appointments every single month, but generating a 10 to 50x return on our ad spend for our agency right here, which you can see. But ads cost money, Derek. Yeah, duh, they do. This video is to get you guys in the most fastest and efficient way to get to 50 to 100K a month. And let me just tell you, this is how you're gonna do it. Everyone goes from cold outreach to paid ads, but I have yet to see a single person to go from paid ads to cold outreach. They never go back. They always stay with paid outreach. So why is it? There's a reason for it. Now, if you guys are scared about ad spend, You just need to get over that hill. Just get over it. That's what's stopping you guys right now. Billionaires risk millions of dollars to become billionaires. Millionaires risk thousands of dollars to become millionaires. But most of you guys don't want to risk a couple hundred to become a millionaire. That's insane logic to me. It's a logic fail, so let's get over that bump. Let's just test and let's just go. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to do, so it's not a test and fail kind of thing. We just have the proven blueprints. So with that all said, you guys have two options that you can go from here. Option A, which I don't like, you can keep doing cold outreach until you have a couple $100s to begin paid ads, and you don't need a lot. And then you can start paid ads and never look back. For my clients and my students, lots of times people don't have the money for ad spend. I'm like, okay, let's make you some money first so that we can start putting it into ad spend. Maybe just be in the trenches for just a week until you can get one client. Then from there, we can use the profit from that client to go into ads, and then never do cold outreach ever again. Now, if you guys, option B, have 100 to 500 put away somewhere else, I don't even know, start paid ads right now after this video. Now, if you guys are ready to go and you just know I need to start ads but don't know exactly how to build it out, I have this video right here on how I get $1 leads from my SMA. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys, I made another video on this, a little bit more detail as well, but it's a very simple process. We just go in, build it out, YouTube ads, not YouTube ads, but YouTube example, this Facebook, Meta, Instagram ads. And that's this video, and probably another one I have somewhere else. We'll be walking you guys through exactly how to build it out, how to do it. But man, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. If you guys need any help with how to start, where you need to go, literally DM me on Instagram. I'm here to help you guys. I want to be that person that I wish I had when I was first starting my agency, where I was stressed, I dropped out, I didn't know what to do next. I didn't see the light at the end of the tunnel. I am here for you guys. That's why I'm creating these videos and this content for you. I want you guys to watch through it, actively start using it. I want you guys to start succeeding. Now, if you found any sort of value out of, like, just even tiny thing, let me know by liking, comment, sharing, or subscribing. And that's going to show me that you guys enjoy this. And if you guys enjoy, I'm going to keep doing more of it. I don't want to be that guru that charges you guys 10K for this kind of information. I want to help you guys out as much as I possibly can, because that's who I wanted when I was in your position. So with that all said, DM me if you guys need any help. But besides that, enjoy the video.